Hello, my friend of the inner circle. I just wanted to remind you that this Sunday we won't have the normal meeting at 4 o'clock on a Sunday afternoon, BST. We will be on Zoom, and I have sent out invitations to all those whose email addresses I have for that. So if you haven't had the invitation, let me know straight away. And the topic for the meeting will be my new book, which is coming out next week. And this is the article in The Guardian. So that is in the Saturday, 2nd of May Guardian, in this supplement, the Saturday supplement. And it is this picture followed by a article over 2 pages, and I would love you to have read that if you're coming to the Zoom session, and to have watched maybe some of my videos this week about existential freedom, because that's what we will be talking about, my friends of the inner circle. So see you on Sunday.